konti.
Mando ay potato.
So there's no garlic yet.
No, not yet.
Ang ganda nito.
Potato.
Naluto na ba yan?
No, not yet. That's
That's raw. Pwede yung pahawak?
Oo. Basta masarap yung lasa ng kamay mo.
Slicer, diba?
Kasing sarap ng lasa ng kamay ko.
Pinagtsagaan niya ang slice
Oo nga
niya,
eh,
pantay-pantay. Di mandolin yan, Mary. Yeah, kailangan bumili ka ng mandolin.
Meron.
Oo, meron.
Ito naman, iniinsulto mo naman si Mary, no?
Pero hindi ako nagagamit dahil natakot ako eh.
Hindi member ng club yan.
Garlic.
Pingin paprika.
Salt.
Salt, pepper, and I'll put
Pepper.
a little paprika for color. Okay, salt, pepper, and then marjoram, oregano, thyme, and tarragon. Okay? And then,
Yabang ano? Ako si Vicky Jr. Ako si Vicky Jr. Ako hindi.
1.5 cup of olive oil.
It's one and a half.
Dami.
Kasi I have ano eh.
Butter.
Actually, gusto ko nga
Hindi
dalawa.
butter. You don't put butter.
Oh, it's a...
Olive oil.
Wala pa. What is that now?
Paprika lang para magandang color.
Cup olive oil.
Yeah. Actually, dadagdagan ko pa siya. Dinagdagan ko siya ng paprika.
Lagyan mo ng paprika, parang for color.
Pakitanggal mo sandali ito. Okay, and then you'll put it on top of dito ka.
Para kayo.
Ha? We'll start cooking it na. So, I'm putting 2 garlic bulbs.
Anong tsura niya? Ano siya? Hindi, no. It's ano.
And then whole and peeled. Whole garlic na peeled and unpeeled.
So that, 80.
Yup.
Hindi lang yung pang isa-isa.
Ako binilang ko kasi baka mamaya bilangin nyo.
80.
Put inside.
Peeled ba?
Ha?
Peeled yung mga...
Yung bulb, hindi peeled. Okay, yung whole bulb. Yung cloves, unpeeled and peeled.
40. Pero this 80 is for 1 or 2 chicken?
Actually for 1, but I'm using 2. Akin na yung foil.
Kasi
Hindi, pangmura ang garlic for 1 chicken. Pag mahal ang garlic better or 2?
It's gonna be very
Very
strong.
sarap. Very strong.
Yeah, depende. You can put a little if you want.
And that one is not organic. Is it a literal quantity or figurative?
Actually, it's really, the recipe is really 40. Oo, talagang 40 siya.
dinagdagan lang siya.
Right.
Bango! Pengin ng konting olive oil. I'll sprinkle a little chicken powder. Sorry. Ano yung sabi ko sa'yo? Olive oil pa? Olive oil. Oo.
The 1.5
Yes.
Nelia, the 1.5 cup of olive oil is for 1.
Actually, 1 dinagdagan ko na.
It's 2.
Yeah, so I'll add more. I'll add another cup. And then we'll put it in the oven.